Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today in Singapore, we are going to be walking through the Helix Bridge. So it was opened back in April 24th, 2010, and it links the Marina Centre with the Marina South in the Marina Bay area. The design of it is supposed to meant to represent the human chromosome, and it's called the Helix, and I think maybe formerly known as the Double Helix as well. So you can look at the architecture, very, very interesting. So we're gonna have a walk through this. Come along.
Walking with us through the Helix Bridge as we enjoy the surrounding area of the marina. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that share, like, and that bell notification. Until next time.